Good evening, everyone. Dubs here with another box break. So, as you can see here, it is. I actually thought that would focus. Now I'm just wasting time. There we go, 11:53 p.m. So this is box break number 16, February 17th. So our printer is out of ink, and I forgot to print out a new sheet at work today, so I just took the old one and stitched it up a little bit. I'm not cheap, I just forget. So here's your list of bidders, and we had a newbie today, Spock 3840. So welcome here. It's good to have you. On top of that, we have two 5+ bidders today. One being Spock, and the other is Sean 1989-77. So for you guys, starting with Sean, I got a Ray Bork SP Essentials card, a Patrice Bergeron Threads card from Pinnacle, and a Shane Doan 1011 Artifacts dual jersey card. You got the white and black there, and the green and cream there, a little bit cream there. So that's for Sean for his 5+ teams bonus. And for Spock, I've got a Phil Kessel SP Essentials card, a Braden Irwin Authentic Rookies card, and a James Reimer Rookie Roll Call card for you. So that is for Spock's 5+ teams bonus. All right. So we got, like I said, we got two short straw bonuses, which are right here. I dubbed this the captain's challenge. The captain's calling. It's the captain's. So in Group 1, we got a Marcus Naslund jersey card, and a Dustin Brown jersey card, and a pack of artifacts. And in the other, we got Rick Nash, and Henrik Sedin, and a pack of artifacts. So those will get random out to somebody who doesn't get a hit later on. Looking at the roulette board, we got a row of chips right down the pipe. So if the roulette wheel spins any of those numbers, we'll be giving away a free little mini stick to somebody. So we'll be watching that. We'll be watching the break to see if any of those numbers pop up on the roulette wheel. So first off, before we get started, we'll give away a free team. So we got the trusty digital board there. So we'll just spin the wheel and see who gets their team refunded. And that is number 27. Number 27. Let me just jot this down. 27. Okay, and number 27 on the board is... Oops. Phoenix. So that'll be Sean 1989-77. Congrats. I will refund Phoenix to you at a later time. All right. So getting to the moment we've all been waiting for. 4 minutes in. That took a lot longer than I thought it would, but oh well. Is what it is. So we got the serial number there, NE992799370. So let's see what we can do. Open up the box here. Checklist. Pop-Tart pack. And let's get this baby rolling. Just adjust the camera a little bit. Trying to do this as conspicuously as possible. Inconspicuously as possible. Pack is ripping badly. There we go. Okay, so here are the cards. We have 3 thick ones in there and a couple of thin ones. So starting from the front, for the Phoenix Coyotes, Martin Hansel, and that is numbered 15 out of 299. So that'll be for you, Sean. Up next, we've got, for the Detroit Red Wings, we got a Ruby Parallel, and that is numbered 21 out of 49. So nice hit there for Crow. Up next, for the Chicago Blackhawks, Jonathan Taves, Jonathan F. Baum Taves, banner season, 76 points. And that is numbered 209 out of 299. There you go for the Blackhawks. Coming from the back, we've got a Brett Hull. Looks a little glossy. Looks kind of nice. Stanley Cup card. And that is numbered 187 out of 199. So that'll be heading to the Red Wings. And then one more from the back for the Ottawa Senators, Nikita Filatov. That is a Spotlight Gold Parallel. And that is numbered 22 out of 25. Nice low numbered card there. 22 out of 25. Alright, getting to the thick ones. Okay, starting up front here. Nice Phenoms card for the Montreal Canadiens. Aaron Pulashaj. Nice signatures card there. And that is numbered 233 out of 299. Okay, it doesn't want to focus, but it's 233 out of 299. Next, we've got for the Anaheim Ducks, Corey Perry banner season, 50 goals. Nice black jersey card there. And that is numbered 87 out of 99. Come on. Come on, let's do it for Spock. Let's get focused so we can see his number there. 87 out of 99. There we go. So there you go for the Ducks and Spock. And the last card, Brett Hull for the St. Louis Blues. A prime jersey swatch there. Blue and white. And that is numbered 17 out of 25. So nice hit there for the Blues. Alright. So that is the main part of the break. Up next we will head to the prize board. See what kind of a prize we'll give away. So on the board here we got numbers 1 to 36 corresponding with the wheel. So we'll just spin the wheel and see what comes up. And that is number 1. Number 1. So we will jump over to the... Oh, they're not right here. Sorry, it's been a long day. So that is number 1, and we'll zoom in. And that is an Artifacts rookie of Cody Hodgson. So we'll just pull that card out of here. There we are. Cody Hodgson rookie card, Artifacts. Numbered 472 out of 999. Alright, so we will jump over to the bonus board and we will spin again to see who gets it. And that is numbered 00. No team is 00, so we'll spin again. And that is numbered 14. You can see there, number 14. So 14. So the team who gets it, Tampa Bay Lightning. And Tampa Bay is owned by Golf Nut. So Golf Nut, you've got yourself a Cody Hodgson rookie card. All right. Just jot this down here so I don't forget. All right, short straw bonus time. Okay, and if you just give me 1 second, I just need to mark down which teams got hits so we can remove them from the running. Ottawa, Montreal, Detroit, Chicago, Detroit again, and Phoenix. Okay. Sorry about the wait. All right, so I marked some of the teams that got hits down. So Anaheim is out. Chicago out. Detroit is out. Montreal is out. Ottawa is out. Phoenix and St. Louis out. So I will put the rest of the chips into the cup. And we will shake it up. I will draw 2 chips to see who wins the cards. And then we will move on to the roulette board. Alright, so we got all of the chips on the bottom there. So I'm just going to shake that one up. So, first off, for the Naslund and Dustin Brown package, that will be going to the Minnesota Wild. And the Minnesota Wild are owned by Lawman 502. Next up, we got Nash and Sedin. So the proud winner is the Colorado Avalanche and Golf Nut. Golf Nut is racking it up tonight. All right. Next up's the roulette board. So if you've been paying any attention at all, and not just listening to my wonderful voice, you'll know that the 00 got rolled before, and that's got a chip. So I'm not even going to look at any of the numbers. We just know that somebody's getting a stick. So I'm going to spin the wheel again, and the winner will receive a mini stick of the team of their choice. And that is number 33. No team on 33, so we'll spin again. And that is number 21. 21. So on the board here, the team behind number 21 is the Carolina Hurricanes. Carolina Hurricanes are owned by Tom Shepker. So congratulations, Tom. I'll get in contact with you and you can choose what kind of a stick you want. Alright, and last but not least, to the almost main event, we have our bonus board, or our bingo board. So we're carrying over from last week again. I'll bring the cage over here. And we will be choosing 5 more marbles to try to fill up this board a little bit more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So there's our 5 marbles. Up for number first is 072. Look on the board there, 072. We'll slide that over into place. Next marble. Wow, that is a bad marble. 070. It's a little smudged up there. But no 70 on the board. So we'll move to the next one. G53. G53. No 53 on the board. Next. B14. No 14. And last marble. G54. And there's no 54. So we put another token on the board. And so that's the way you roll. So I'll update that stuff. And I will put that up on the forums. Update the thread on the forums pertaining to the bonus board, and get in contact with the winners. And yeah, that is the break for this evening. So thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you again next week.